Hi everyone, in this video you will see the way the options of Pathfinder panel works in Illustrator. This panel has options that could be used to create complex shapes using more than one shape. Under shape modes there are 4 options. I will open Pathfinder panel from Windows menu. I will draw 2 objects with 2 different colors and overlap them. I will drag select both the objects with black arrow tool. The Unite command unites your selected objects. The resulting shape keeps the color of the shape that is in front of other objects. In this case, the object at back is of purple color and object at front is blue in color. So the blue color is retained. The minus front command allows you to crop the shape in the back using the shape in the front. The intersect command creates a new shape out of the area where your selected objects are overlapping. The exclude command creates a new shape out of the area where your selected shapes do not overlap. Under Pathfinder, you will find 6 buttons or commands. The divide option creates a new shape for each shape section. It creates separate shapes for both overlapping and non-overlapping areas. Let me ungroup the final object for you to see how the divide command works. The trim command allows you to crop the shape in the back using the shape in the front. The merge command unites shapes that share the same color attributes and crops the ones that do not have the same attributes. The crop command creates a new shape out of the area where your selected shapes are overlapping, removes the rest of the back shape and keeps an invisible outline with the remaining section of the front shape. The outline command turns your selected shapes into outlines. The minus back command does the opposite of the minus front command as it crops the shape in the front using the shape in the back. It removes the back shape along with the overlapping area while the top shape keeps its color attributes.